about to get on it on this motherfucker. You ain't? It's gonna sound good. Old blue hairs.
Blue hairs.
Blue hair don't care.
Dude, when I'm on, I'm just gonna give a fuck. Be like, dude, I got an itch. I can.
The bar area.
Ooh.
Jimmy's excited, dude. You ever been to the boathouse?
Yeah.
Oh.
We went without you.
Yeah.
Finnegan had his old 19 two-stroke and the brand new one, and they rode it together.
Jimmy, how'd you stain your shirt? He's just saving some for later.
Huh? I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Hey, Halloween's over. Pumpkin's ours, bud. Hey, we snagged a pumpkin, just so you know.
I saw it.
Pumpkin Jerry.
Hey, are we going back to the field?
Yeah. In my truck. Hard.
Hard.
There you go, Jimmy.
What am I doing?
Important stuff. We're cruising, bud. I need to run this up to the gas station.
Do you?
Low fuel. Dude, we gotta go to the gas station.
Station, boys. The Haji Mart.
Gas we put in that? 93? Put that in there?
Yeah, thank you for shopping for this.
Unless he has debit card.
In my truck. Hard.
I got you. Don't get any on me.
You ready? How many gallons do you think this motherfucker take?
7. No, probably 2. Always have pussy in my teeth.
Hard.
$7.
Yummy.
$7.
You fill them up?
Yeah,
Right on.
pretty much filled up. Yours
This is the 19. It looks like a shit box.
but it fucking still starts.
It does start.
That's
Mine
fine.
don't even do that. God damn.
Dude, all I do
dude.
get new plastics.
The mic is excellent. All right. Hey, I'll follow you guys this time.
Where are we going?
Back to my house, same way. Huh?
Same way?
Yeah, same way. So I
Damn, that's quick already.
Huh?
Filled up that fast already.
Yeah. Wherever it's at right now, that's where I like it.
Open plug.
She has a food, but you're right. I'm about to rear in this motherfucker. up in this?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see the damage. I hit it once. I hit it once. I see the mark. All right.
One's pretty high.
He'd be pretty dead.
No.
He'd be dead on maybe a Tuesday, but if we're talking Saturday like today, he wouldn't be dead. He'd be all jacked up on something. Yeah. Oh, fuck. You gotta yell 4.
That don't matter. My hit.
Oh yeah, that was dead point, dude. That's heart shot right there. He's dead.
Right in the same spot.
I'm out, dude.
Yeah.
He's a real marksman. Must be the beard.
Cool shooter. He has a lot of practice.
Dang, dude. You guys are blowing it out the back. What are you thinking?
What am I thinking?
Yeah. How's
I don't
Max's
know.
shooting, you think?
Pretty good. He has a lot of practice being a school shooter.
Yeah, he's a fucking
Hey,
weirdo.
Max thinks this is a 9, so let's hope it works.
What do you mean? It's that off-brand bullshit.
Yeah.
He picked it up at Walmart right before they
special.
sat down.
9 mil on the fucking side kick,
That's the Dollar Tree gun right there.
I gotta take a squirt.
Why did you say the weirdest?
I swear the vocabulary of
This guy is
Jimmy's taking a squirt.
a couple years old. I'm gonna shoot
Maybe hit it once again.
I'm gonna shoot that.
Hey Jimmy, how'd your squirt go?
It's pretty good.
Took a bullet?
Yeah, that definitely went in the water. You're good.
Yeah, you got it.
You hit that.
Yeah.
Went over there.
It's fucking dead.
Get in the thing. Go down there.
To that trail?
Do that trail, then take a hard left.
Hard left.
Yeah, I'll stand in the back.
Time out. I'm getting in, dude.
We're getting in the 4-seater.
Alright, let's go. Hopefully don't roll.
Hey, let's get the 12 gauge and some slugs.
12 gauge slug.
Unless you want to do bird shot, but I don't think bird shot would be
Oh! You were up here dodging branches and
There it is.
hard left.
Hard left.
Creek.
Oh my, dude, this feels scary.
Hard left. Yeah, hard right.
Now go left.
Just kidding. Hug the right. Hug the right.
There's some men
Hug the right. Towards that big rock.
How far?
All the way to the right. It'll stay shallow. Point of view, Jimmy. 4-wheeling, baby. Damn, son. Don't hit the log. Oh, fuck.
Get that rock.
We're going deep now. Big rock. Ooh.
What's on the other side?
Nothing.
Jesus Christ.
What? Jimmy? Go back down. Do it again. You gotta give it some throttle.
Hey, no pussyfooting it.
Bring it down, bud.
Dude, that's steep.
Bring it down. Oh. Whoa. Dang, Jimmy, you're reckless.
Have you went up out in this?
Huh? There's all kinds of hills over there too that'll go up. No, Jimmy, that's the first time. That's the first time this has ever been up that. Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah. No, it's not.
It's pretty freaking steep.
Yeah, it is. Hey, I need to go.
Take a seat. Point the camera just at Eaton.
I'm right on you, dude.
Nice.
That's a good spot.
So majestic. Hey, ladies. I got a 2-inch dick and a 6-inch tongue. I know how to use them both.
Hold on.
I know it's peanut butter and spider on my wiener.
Wow, he's cool.
It looks like a giraffe. Let's see a giraffe drive. 4-wheel drive, launch it.
Huh?
Launch it.
Launch it?
Right there.
Dude, I'm not even. I'm a 2-wheel drive.
Now you are. Take his dirt back there. Dude, it's deep as fuck right there.
It's real deep right here.
Keep going. I'll pull you out.
That shit's deep. Yeah, see how deep it really is.
The back tire's coming off.
Yeah, you better.
Keep going. Just keep going. It's. Now you're fucked.
Put in 4-wheel drive. Idiot.
Hey, just drive through it. Don't be a bad. If I had my rubber boots, I would.
I don't think it has an air intake. It just suck it all in. It's not a bogger.
Let's put snorkels on.
Dude, I hate when that thing goes away. I can't see what I'm hitting at. Like, am I aiming at him? I don't know.
Maybe just touch the screen. Take your ball good, bud. He's gonna roll it.
Trying to get it.
Oh, something's on me.
Just a spider. I had one on me.
It's in my shirt.
I had a spider on me. Well, what'd you think?
That was pretty rowdy.
Was it?
That was about as rowdy.
That was
rowdy
bad
as
as
it
fuck.
gets.
I don't know about that.
About as rowdy as it gets.
Did you see that guy behind us at the when we went to the gas station?
No.
No, on the way back.
What do you do?
He did that.
Hit the meter.
And then I tried to shift and I hit neutral. That was cool. I didn't tell anybody that though.
Did you get right at the top and you take one flip back?
Yeah?
No.
It's not even that big of a hill.
It's pretty steep though.
A little
When you're
bit.
in that. Cocksucker. I was gonna eat that.
Dude, it was still good. I could have carved that. Dude, I was gonna eat the seeds. Now I can't. You know that? I was gonna eat the seeds, dude.
Huh?
You know that?
Huh?
I was gonna eat the seeds out of that.
You do.
I know, I'd go hit him.
In the water.
Jimmy, you're... That's... What has he got?
How many seeds are in there? Didn't count.
Gonorrhea.
We're good.
When you're out of bullets, you throw the gun.
Jimmy's words of wisdom.
What'd you say?
You still heard what I said when you was out there.
What'd you say?
He pointed at me and I said, "Hey ladies, I got a 2-inch dick and a 6-inch tongue. I know how to use them."
Both. You got more?
No.
Oh, you don't? Max does?
I don't have much.
Hey, wait.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
Oh, nice shot, dude.
Terrible.
Nice shot. I got closer each time.
It.
I would have hit a guy.
I hope you could hit a guy.
A what?
There she blows.
Max is about as deadly as trying to overdose on fucking vitamins, bud. That's pretty deadly. Watch out! Oh, now it's stuck. The old 350. He can't even move it.
I'm stuck on the fucking roof.
Pull the clutch in. Is it in gear?
I don't know. There we go.
That hurt my hand. Kind of scared. Big man on a two-wheel machine. He's good. He knows what he's doing, I hope. I kind of hope that thing snaps. That'd be.
Hope your feet don't come right here and hit me.
I think that'd be funny. You just eat shit, break your tailbone.
You just have a harness. Yeah, I'm so close to the trees. That's good. But what do you want me to do?
Keep going, back up more.
What the fuck? Oh, the steering was locked.
Yes, sir.
It still works.
That cable goes down so much.
Yeah, it used to be nice when we had it up by my house.
Where you do down the hill?
You
behind
know
it?
that wood stand back by the field?
Yeah, I think so.
It's all rotted now, but all the way from there, all the way to pretty much where the horses are.
Really?
Mhm.